Hey friends! Welcome back to the AVCLabs channel. Today, we will explore how to remove blur from video. There are several powerful video editing tools out there that can help you remove blur during post-production. Today, let me show you a quick demonstration using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Once it's installed, open up the application and upload your blurry video. Before start removing blur from your video, you can drag the progress bar to preview the entire video. Here you can trim videos as you like, or you can also crop your video to remove unwanted parts or change the aspect ratio. Then come to the preset. Here you can quickly apply the AI model. As shown in the pop-up window, you can choose to upscale video to 200% HD or 4K. Choose a preset according to your needs, and you will see the output size below change. Don't forget turn on the face enhancement function. You can adjust the intensity of face enhancement at will. The effect will be more natural between 40 to 60. Then click Start Processing. You can see the comparison before and after the video enhancement. If you are not satisfied with the effect, just click Cancel to return to the main interface. If you want to take a closer look at more details, click here to enlarge the video. Now it's time to take a closer look at the facial details. All you need to do is wait for a while and see the final result. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe us.